Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Red Panda version of Mei Lee from Disney Pixar's Turning Red. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing the nose with a curve in the center here. And then a curve at the bottom to close it off. Next, let's add two curves at the bottom for the nostrils. And color both nostrils in black. Next, above the nose, let's draw another curve. Now from the side, let's curve it out, down, and back up under the center of the nose. And the same thing on the right side. Let's draw the eyes next with two circles here. Next, at the top of the eye, let's draw an extra curve. Now inside each eye, let's draw another circle. And then inside each of these circles, let's draw a small one in the top right. And then a larger black circle in the center of each. Next, let's draw the eyebrows above each eye with teardrop shapes. Let's draw the mouth next. Let's start next to the nose and we'll draw curves out on either side. And then let's curve these down to meet underneath at the bottom. Let's add the teeth next. Underneath, in the center, let's draw a line down. And now let's draw two teeth going out on either side with rectangle shapes. Next, let's draw larger teeth on either side with a curve. And then two more rectangle teeth on either side. Next, inside the mouth, let's draw the tongue with a curve up that dips down in the center and then back down. And lastly, let's color the inside of the mouth in black. Next, let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start above in the center and we're going to draw some zigzags for the hair. And now on the left, let's curve it down, stopping about here around the mouth level. And the same thing on the right. Now at the bottom, let's draw some zigzag lines for the fur. And the same on the right. Now let's close off the bottom of the head with a curve across the bottom. Next, inside the face, on the cheeks, let's draw the patches of fur. So let's start on the left side and we're going to draw a zigzag line inwards like this. And then curve it down to the bottom. Now let's do the same thing on the right side. Let's draw the ears next, starting with the right side. Starting above the top right of the head, let's draw a curve up like this. And then let's draw some zigzag lines all the way down. Let's stop right about here. And now at the bottom, let's draw some curves outwards. And now let's do the same thing on the left side. Next, let's hop back over to the right side, and inside we're going to draw a curve along the top here like this. And then another point in and down. And now let's add some curves upwards. And one more at the bottom. And the same thing on the left side. And that's it for the head. Now let's draw the body. Let's start by drawing the sides of the body. Let's leave a gap and let's draw some pointed lines down for the fur and then curve it down, stopping here. And the same thing on the right side. Next, let's draw the arms. Let's start with the left side. From underneath the bottom left of the head, let's draw some zigzags out like this. And the same on the right. Next, let's draw an angled line down for the elbow. And then again, a few pointed lines for the fur. And then one more angle down and in. And again on the right. Next, let's draw the inside of the arm with a long curve down here. And the same on the right. Next, let's add the hand by drawing a curve at the bottom here. And now let's close it off with some zigzag lines. And now do the same thing on the right side. Now let's finish off the bottom of the body. From underneath the left hand, let's draw some zigzag lines down like this for the fur. And then a curve down and out. And then the same on the right. Next, in the center, let's draw a curve for the bottom of the body. And then draw some zigzags on either side for the fur. Next, underneath this, let's draw some zigzags down at an angle. And now at the bottom, an angled line down and out. Next, let's draw the feet. From the outside line, let's curve it down and then back in. And the same on the other side. And now inside each foot, let's draw 3 curves at the bottom. And that's it for the body. Lastly, let's draw the tail. Let's start on the left side above the elbow, and we're going to draw pointed lines all the way around and back down for the shape of the tail. Next, let's draw the stripe pattern in the tail by drawing a zigzag curved line across at the top here. And then another one underneath. And lastly, 2 more at the bottom here. And that's it for this red panda, and let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!